Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It is time for the lightning round! What's up, Rocco's? Play the sound! And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. We're going to start with Mario in New York. Mario.
Just want to know your view about Workhorse and the potential contract with the United States Postal Service.
The Workhorse is a show horse as far as I'm concerned. The people on Twitter, there are people who want me to promote this thing every single day of the week. I'm not a promoter, and I'm not going to go there, okay? There are other stocks I like in that space. I know you're going to say they're not really that space, but I like Plug Power. Let's go to Gail in New York. Gail.
Hi, Jim Cramer. I love your show, and I try not to miss it.
Oh, thanks, Gail.
Thank you. I've had Voya Financial on my radar for over a year, but I haven't dived in, and I wanted to know what you think of Voya as a long-term investment.
I think it's good. It's the best house in a real bad neighborhood. I'm not going to recommend. I will not recommend anything financial or anything oil. Wow, pretty draconian, huh? My Travel Trust owns J.P. Morgan. That acts awfully. And we own Goldman Sachs, and I don't know. Jeez, maybe I worked there. Couldn't believe how cheap it is, but no, thank you. Let's go to Bob. I'm not going to push people in. Let's go to Bob in Connecticut. Bob.
Yeah, hey, Jim. Thanks for doing what you do.
Oh, you're great. Thank you.
I'd like to know what you think of New York Community Bank.
I know you're probably interested in that dividend, and it is bountiful, okay? I look at it and say, if I were running that bank, that dividend is too risky. They can tell me all they want, but I don't like the shape of the U.S. economy right now if COVID keeps growing, all right? Got to get it under control. Let's go to Bill in Florida. Bill.
Hey, Jim, this is Bill in St. Augustine, Florida.
Nice place.
I watch your show frequently and appreciate the wisdom that you're sharing with us small investors. However, I've got a limited partnership, MPLX. Parent company is...
I'm familiar with it. I'm familiar with it. Again, you probably like it for the yield, which is about 16%. I find that typically, I don't know about these guys, but typically that kind of yield is unsustainable and will be cut. Maybe this is the ultimate exception, and good luck to them. Let's go to Dustin in Tennessee. Dustin.
Hey, Jim. Booyah from Tennessee.
Booyah.
Jim, I've been managing golf courses for around 20 years, and I've never seen golf courses this busy, driving ranges this busy. They're packed. COVID really drove the numbers up. Earlier this week, Callaway Golf, ticker ELY, agreed to buy out Topgolf in an all-stock deal that valued the business in over $2 billion.
Right.
The combination of Topgolf and Callaway seems like a great investment because if COVID hangs around, Callaway's business is going to continue to explode. If we get a vaccine and
but Dustin, people said they spend too much money. So that's why the stock's going down. People said, why do they have to do that? Why do they have to pay so much? But I like your thinking. It's gotten hit and hit and hit. And when we see those situations, that means that it's actually getting cheaper and worth buying. I'm siding with you. Enough. I think if it goes down tomorrow, you pick some up. How about we go to Holly in Maryland? Holly.
Hi, Jim. I love your show.
Thank you, Holly.
I was wondering if you are still bullish on Simon Property Group.
Well, if you're going to own one of these, I have said that is that and Federal Realty were the two to own. But once again, let's understand each other. The longer that COVID lasts, the less valuable that property is. That's the way it works. I was hoping that we would have it under control, mask, social distancing, contact tracing, but we have distinguished ourselves as a bit of a laughing stock, of which, doesn't help those companies and doesn't help America. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.